Alright, this is a very well worn and loved ball valve with a swivel fitting. This will always go between your gun or surface cleaner and the supply hose, or one way or the other. So your supply hose will come in and your gun and surface cleaner will be out in this end. This is unique in that it has a ball valve. The ball valve allows you to turn off the flow of water, and once you release the pressure in the surface cleaner or the gun, you can then connect it. This will prevent you from having to set everything down, walk back to the truck, turn off the pressure washer, and then do your thing, and then walk back to the pressure washer to turn it back on. So this just saves you time and makes life a lot easier. So this is the ball valve. Also, you can use the ball valve to rinse, a special way of rinsing. So we'll go into that more, but sometimes you can disconnect the hose, or after you're done surface cleaning, you can take the ball valve, turn it to just a little bit to where the pressure builds up and it shoots like a jet out the other end. Turn it just a little bit and it's going to allow you to rinse very efficiently. Also on here is a swivel. This swivel comes in very handy because you're constantly moving the hoses, and the hoses are getting kind of tangled and kind of looped around, and so you're able to hold your gun and the hose behind you just automatically will straighten itself out as you pull it. So a ball valve and a swivel is basically you need to use that in every job. So again, you put the hose before you connect it, before you turn on the pressure washer. You're going to bring the unreel the hose, put the ball valve on, close the ball valve, and maybe put your gun on it or your surface cleaner on it right away. But as soon as you connect it, you're then ready to connect the pressure washer, connect the hose to the pressure washer, and go and start it right up.